it appears that the new STi has leaked. So I'm not 100% sure if the leaked brochure was Chinese or Japanese. I believe it was Japanese. Japanese would make the most sense, right? I'll post a picture up for those of you that haven't seen it, and comment down below what your thoughts on it are. I'm going off the top of my head right now, so I could be off a little bit, but if I remember correctly from when I found it and people that translated it, I believe it's coming with 395 horsepower and 360 some odd pound-feet of torque. That's a nice little jump. I'm curious to see if it is what differences they did between the WRX and the STi, if those numbers are correct. We already know from Prime Motoring that the FA24 is going to be a fantastic platform for a build. So I'm curious to know if it's just a tune that they did, or if it's a larger turbo, larger intercooler, all the supporting mods for that. Or I'm curious to see if the red line is any higher than the WRX, which would indicate maybe a better cam profile. So I'm really curious to see how the new STi is revealed, and if that brochure is accurate. I would imagine the new STi will have the Recaros from the WRX GT. And I would also assume that it is going to come with the adaptive shocks that are in the GT, but maybe tuned more for sportier driving. I don't see them allowing the GT to be a better handling car than the STi. So I'm curious to see how that goes. I think the looks are a little bit better. I'm still not completely sold on it, but maybe after seeing them out in the wild and different angles, I'll like it a little bit more. But they've definitely improved over the WRX 100%. So I'm gonna stay optimistic for the STi. I was not optimistic about the WRX, which you can watch video right here. And if you haven't already seen that, hear my thoughts on it. It's quite controversial at the time. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. Comment down below what you think about the new STi. If you're excited, do you plan on buying one? Let me know. Yeah, pretty short video this time around, so I don't really know anything about it yet. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like or dislike, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already and you want to see more content, and don't forget to get out and drive. Peace.